Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Toyota 86 stock number 5966. This ran from 04/2012 to the 9th 2016. It has a FA20 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat nav. Stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.